Hello Paulinians, I'm MJ. I'm hoping that you will give your time to listen in our discussion. So, let's start.
Our topic for today is about arithmetic sequence. It is a sequence whose consecutive terms have a common differences. It represented as small letter d. The first term of an arithmetic sequence is denoted as a sub 1, while the kth term is denoted by a sub k.
So, example number 1. -2, -5, +3, +4, +7, +11, +19, +1, 0.3. So determine whether the sequence is an arithmetic sequence or not. Check whether the differences between consecutive terms are constant. First, find the difference between the second term and the first term. So our second term is a sub 2 is equal to -5. Our a sub 1, or the first term, is equal to -2. So, let's find the difference. -5 minus -2 is equal to -3. So, next, find the difference between the third term and the second term. So, we have a sub 3, or the third term, which is 3, and a sub 2 is equal to -5. So let's find the difference. 3 minus -5 is equal to 8. Since the differences are not the same, -3 is not equal to 8. The sequence is not an arithmetic sequence. -3 is not equal to 8. So another example, we have here +2, +5, +8, and +11. To determine whether the sequence is an arithmetic sequence or not, check whether the differences between consecutive terms are constant. First, find the difference between the second term and the first term. So a sub 1 is equal to 2 and a sub 2 is equal to 5. A sub 3 is equal to 8 and a sub 4 is equal to 11. So 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. The common difference is 3. Therefore, the given sequence is an arithmetic sequence. So another example. Give the first 5 terms of an arithmetic sequence whose common difference is 8 and whose first term, a sub 1, is -3. So our given is a sub 1 is equal to -3 and the common difference is +8. Using the formula on finding common difference, substitute the given. So we have a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to d. Here's the formula. So let's substitute. A sub 2 minus -3 is equal to 8. So negative times negative is positive. So a sub 2 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now, let's subtract both sides by -3. So the answer will be a sub 2 is equal to 8 minus 3. So ours, a sub 2 is equal to 5. Now observe that to get the succeeding term, you just need to add the common difference to the preceding term. So a sub 3, to find a sub 3, all we need to do is to add the value for a sub 2 to the common difference. So 5 plus 8 is 13. Then, for a sub 4, 13 plus 8 is 21. For a sub 5, 21 plus 8 is 29. And -3, 5, 13, 21, and 29 are our arithmetic sequence. Now, let's proceed to finding the ninth term of an arithmetic sequence. There are times when you are only interested in finding a specific term of an arithmetic sequence without having to list down the terms one by one. It is possible to determine this term by using a formula. As you have learned in example number 2, when a sub 1 and common difference are given, you can determine the succeeding term in the sequence. This term can be expressed in terms of a sub 1 and common difference. Okay, consider the following terms of an arithmetic sequence. A sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus common difference. A sub 3 is equal to a sub 2 plus common difference is equal to the quantity of a sub 1 plus the common difference plus the common difference is equal to a sub 1 plus 2d, or the common difference. For a sub 4, we have a sub 3 plus d is equal to the quantity of a sub 1 plus 2d plus d and a sub 1 plus 3d. Theorem 1-1, the ninth term of an arithmetic sequence with a sub 1 as the first term and d as the common difference is given by the following formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 d. So here's some example. Find the missing term in the arithmetic sequence. 9.5, 6, 2.5, blank, and negative 4.5. The givens are a sub 1 is equal to 9.5. The common difference is negative 3.5. And we need to look for the first term. So, for the solution, using this formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. We have a sub 4 is equal to 9.5 plus the quantity of 4 minus 1 times negative 3.5. So 9.5 minus 10.5 is equal to negative 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 times negative 3.5 is negative 10.5 times positive, it's negative, so negative 10.5. So if we subtract it to 9.5, value for a sub 4 will become negative 1. To verify the answer you obtain, simply add negative 3.5, which is the common difference to its preceding term, 2.5. So 2.5 plus negative 3.5, we have 2.5 minus 3.5 is equal to negative 1. So same answer. And that's for arithmetic sequence. Thank you for watching this video. So, see ya!